Hey Nicole, we're going to have a photo shoot. Wanna join?
Oh, okay.
Okay, just pick a cute outfit, okay?
Time to pick out an outfit. Ooh, yes. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally doing it. We are cleaning out my closet. So ever since the quarantine started, I have been meaning to fix my closet, to throw away all of the clothes that I don't wear anymore. I just want everything to be more organized, and I just want to be left with the clothes that I actually do use. So I am going to be talking a lot throughout this video, so let's just get started. Alright, so here I have two pretty similar pink jackets, and they're still pretty cute, but I don't think I'll ever wear this. I'm just kind of over that light pink aesthetic. For the longest time, my whole Instagram feed used to be just light fucking pink. That was a long phase, but it was just a phase, and I'm just so over it. So I just bought this jacket, I think in December, and I still love it. It's the kind of oversized that doesn't look too baggy on me. This is kind of that chic, oversized kind of vibe. There was a time that neon green was super cool. I think it was just last year, and I bought so many neon green clothing pieces. I thought it was going to be like a staple pop of color in my closet, but now I hate it. This I thrifted as well. This reminded me a lot of the outfit that Jenny was wearing during their Good Morning America interview, and I think it's super cute. It'll make any simple outfit look kind of classy. I bought this brand new at the mall, and I bought it at one of the bougie stores at SM Mega Mall, I think. I went into that bougie store because I had like 3,000 or like 4,000 pesos worth of coupons for the store that I needed to use up before they'd expire, and apparently I thought that this was a good idea. So this I bought from a kick-ass Instagram shop based here in the Philippines, and the clothes that they release are just chef's kiss. This blazer actually comes with these pants that fit like a fucking dream. So this set I have had for years, and I just don't wear it a lot anymore, and I think it's because of the length of the skirt. It is pretty long, but I think if I crop it, maybe make it short like that, and then get rid of this weird pocket that's just so fucking big, I think it'll still be pretty cute. Still so cute. I still love this. I don't want to try on the pants because I don't know if they still fit me, and I am not ready to face the truth. All I know is I still like this set, and because I like them, I don't want to try them out and not fit them and have a reason to throw them away. This set I still really like. It has been a go-to set ever since college, all the way up to after college when I was already working. Also, I just look like one big chessboard, and I am starting to notice a pattern here. I am keeping most of the clothes that are pretty neutral in color, and I am getting rid of all of the colorful ones, which I'm worried about. Wow, I look so freaking badass. I look like I can be in the Kill This Love music video if the print were a little bit different. Maybe if this were all black, I'd be like... Wait, what's the ending pose for that? You guys get it. The skirt fits me perfectly. The jacket is the perfect kind of crop where it ends right where the skirt is. But even though the fit is nice, even though I feel pretty badass in it, I will just not wear it because the print just ain't me anymore. Can you guys see how small these are? These are basically just underwear on me now, so classic black shorts. We cannot get rid of these. Classic white shorts. Look how fucking worn out these shorts are. Oh my god, bye-bye. I know I'm not gonna wear this anymore, but these shorts are pretty sentimental to me because this is one of the first few Forever 21 pieces that I bought myself. So these shorts bring me back to the time when we were not rich at all. All four of us were living in one small bedroom in my grandmother's house and we just couldn't afford a lot of things. I think I was in high school back then. I was already into fashion and I found out that Forever 21 was coming to the Philippines, and I remember begging my mom to bring me to the Forever 21 store. And I remember first walking into the store and feeling so overwhelmed because the store was so big. I came in there with a little bit of money hoping to buy something. I checked the first few racks, the racks that were nearest the entrance first. After checking out a couple of clothing pieces, I remember how my heart sunk because I just couldn't afford Forever 21. So I checked out probably one or two racks and then I already got so disheartened because I knew I couldn't buy anything. Oh. So I stopped looking at the clothes and then I saw the accessories rack and then I thought to myself, okay, I can't afford any of the clothes, but maybe I can buy at least like a necklace or some earrings, just so I could have one thing that was from Forever 21. And I remember looking at like a set of earrings. Oh. I remember being so sad because I thought to myself I wasn't gonna pay 400 for a necklace or earrings, and although I could buy it, it was just so unpractical for me. I felt like buying the earrings was living beyond my means. When we were starting to get financially stable and I was able to slowly buy a couple of Forever 21 pieces, I held on to those pieces. I felt like I was finally kind of progressing from the hard, financially unstable life that we had before. So even though I don't like a lot of my Forever 21 pieces, I have never gotten rid of any of them. But now I am glad that I am blessed enough, I am privileged enough that I no longer feel like I have to hold on to these clothing pieces for the sake of the past Nicole that couldn't afford them. I feel like I have finally let go of what Forever 21 represents to me. We're definitely still not rich, but I'm happy that my family is in the place that we're in right now. So I remember buying this and never wearing it, so
you got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit.
definite yes. I love tight-fitting skirts. I do have to repair this though because I had way too much fun partying one night and I kind of wrecked the slit a little bit.
Never was it tough to feel like singing. Never was it tough to go and take it.
Do I really need both skirts? Okay, yeah, I do. I realized that this is my black party skirt and this is my I'm going to UP Town Center, I'm gonna order a Starbucks and then I'm gonna read the book skirt. So what is this? Oh, it's a dress. Oh wait, I think I don't like it. What am I doing? Anyway, as I was saying, I think I don't like it as a dress, but I think I like it as a top. I think I have to wear a right bra for this though so that my boobs look perky. It's just so crazy to me how your style changes. This is my style now, just like librarian chic. I can't believe that this Nicole is the same Nicole that ordered this.
to you won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a.
What was I going for? I look like a fucking hot Cheeto.
Outside, so it goes, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love. Don't you let go. Hanging on for another line.
Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the dress that I wore for my college graduation. It reminds me of the dress that Ariana Grande wore to Jimmy Fallon, but her dress was pink and it was cut here. This is what I wore to the university graduation. I love it. I'm not gonna get rid of this probably ever. I think I just need to take it in a little bit on the sides. Super cute sana yung pagka-flowy nito, but it's just
So it goes, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love. Don't you let go. Hanging on for another line.
So these are the only denim jeans that I own, and they suck. I mean, look at the fit, and I bought this probably just weeks before the quarantine started, so I was of sound mind when I bought this. I have been so in love with these joggers, but I genuinely think that they're just not my style anymore. But now that I have it on, I still kind of like it. Phew, that was hella tiring. Hey Nicole, I don't want to do the photo shoot anymore. I'm tired. The photo shoot is done. It was over like hours ago.